Hey, what's up, y'all? It's poppin', it's D. About to react to this video by Funny 2017 Update. This is DASHIE WHEEZE Lab compilation. It's actually two links that you guys recommended, so I'm going to react to both of them. This one is 7 minutes and the second one is like 2 minutes, so they're both pretty short. But yeah, DASHIE does wheeze a lot when he laughs. It's pretty funny. That's when you know he thinks something is hilarious. So let's see him wheeze. Let's watch.
Okay, so let's say we're playing Mario Kart 8 Deluxe, which should have came out with the system. This
shade.
Okay, it's not bullshit, but I'd rather have what I have.
Come on, vocals. I didn't know they did a prank together or a video together.
Listen.
Why does he laugh like that?
Yo, man, that's some white people shit.
What were they doing?
Kids. In this one room.
I remember reacting to that. Those bloopers. Why he look so focused?
You want to play? Let's play. We chase ghosts, bitch. Nyah, nyah, nyah.
How do you even make that noise? I can't even do that. I remember this. These bloopers were really funny. He's talking about his dick small. His daddy be playing him.
You're supposed to say yeah. I got that shit all. Yo, who the hell wears a shirt that small, nigga? What's that, extra sweetie? What the fuck is going on with you, man? Bye, bitch. Look. Bitch.
This wheeze is crazy.
Look at this motherfucker.
What is Donkey Kong doing?
He's like, oh shit.
He's so stupid.
That mother. And look at it. Look.
Why are they looking like that?
Look. Yo. He's out here looking. Look. The fuck?
That is gross. What the fuck?
Look.
Dash.
Oh, I guess in this case, look at him. Looking dead into the shit. Look. Yo, I almost forgot. Yeah. Look at this bitch, and then look at this motherfucker. It looked dead at the lens.
He looked dead at the lens.
Yes. Damn. Oh, shit. What?
Why are they looking like that? That's funny. Damn.
Hold on. Yo, look. You see, I'll push him off right now. Go. How do we float through this motherfucker? What happened? Yo! Oh my God! Go! All the way out. So bad.
What game is this?
I'm going pee-pee.
I'm going pee-pee.
Hold on. Hold on. What the? Shit! Oh, baby girl, did you see that? Oh, damn. Oh, that's that! I'm gonna run away, bitch.
Mario looks weird.
Why you take my gum? One time. Do it again. Go close it. Why you take my gum? I want a new car.
Why is he looking like that?
I want a new car. Why would you get a new car?
That's so stupid.
Why would you give me the car?
He does it like he's hella proud of me.
Why would you give me the car? Why would you give me the car?
He even throw his hands up.
Oh, Lord. Got tears coming out my eyes.
He's so silly.
You got some big ass thighs, Dash. You got some big ass
He's saying.
F-A-T-B-I-T-C-H. I saw you touching the throat last night.
What?
See, I'ma call you fat shit. Look, the police coming. Yo, he right on your ass. So listen.
I love this skit together.
Okay.
Oh, Crash Bandicoot.
Yo!
Okay, so you want
Just let me play!
Got it.
Like she applied Maybelline to the side of her cheek with a fork. Let's finish off jacking 2 dicks at one time. He's like, shout out to the dick. Shout out to the dick I just jacked off.
Yo, anybody out here need that dick?
And y'all need to get your dick jacked.
Get your dick jacked.
Hey, y'all want to get some of this juicy?
What?
What?
Pause.
W-E-L-G-H-T. Please lose weight.
3. I remember that compilation. It was so random.
You about to meet Chester right now. Look.
I'm so spooked.
If you move.
Hey, he be cracking up wheezing like this. Okay, somebody wanted me to react to this other one too. I wonder will it be different clips? It looks like it's different. So I'll react to this one as well. It's really short. It's only 2 minutes. So let's go. Oh yeah, this one is really quick. He felt like he was dying right there. He sound like he dying. He needs some water. I feel like this dries the shit out of his throat. Like it got to. I never noticed that he wheezes so much. But he does it a lot, actually. Now that I think about it, he always do this. Why is he looking like that? I like when he have guests. He seemed pretty cool. Like he get along easily with people. I'm like that too. I get along with everybody. As long as you ain't on no weird shit, I get along with everybody. Like if I don't get along with somebody, it's usually them. And all my friends and my family can attest to this. It is them. If we not getting along, it's you. I can be a bit aggressive sometimes, but for the most part, I'm pretty chill and I don't push my opinions on people. I don't, you know, come at people sideways, which is so funny because I feel like people automatically assume that about me just because I'm constantly giving my opinion in these videos. But if I don't, then we just sitting here looking stupid. Like, what else am I supposed to do? Like, it's a video, so I'm going to give my opinion. I'm going to be very outspoken. I'm going to be very straightforward with my views, you know, with these reaction videos. But in my everyday life, like, I don't push shit on people. I don't, like, I'm not confrontational. Like, I don't do any of that. Like, I be chilling. I'm super laid back. Like, everybody describes me as being pretty laid back. So yeah, I get along with everybody as well. I don't know if they gotta do anything. Oh, because I was talking about Dashie. But yeah, this was funny. He definitely wheezes a lot. I don't even know how he does that. Like I can't even do that. I can't even imitate that. I feel like his throat be mad dry. But anyway, this was really funny. I definitely preferred the first one more because it gave it context, like what he was actually laughing about. The second one was just, you know, a compilation of all his wheezing, but we didn't know exactly what he was laughing about. But anywho, I really like these videos. I love Dashie. Let me know what y'all thought. Let me know what other videos you want me to react to, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!